coconut tree. Jack and his mother is in a holiday, Jamaica. They are visiting my friends Alice and Jake.
Look, Mom, there are coconuts in the tree.
And there is milk inside each coconut.
Try some, it's delicious.
Sir, let me tell you a story about this tree.
One day in Jamaica, there is an important message on the radio.
Hurricane Gilbert is moving toward for the island of Jamaica. It is a 4-5 hurricane. Everybody on the island prepares for the hurricane. They protect their houses and their animals. They put extra food and drink in their cabins.
Are there any bottles of water? Is there any bread? Yes, don't worry, there are 5 bottles of water and there's some bread. We've got everything we need.
Later, the sky is very cloudy. The wind is very strong. The hurricane is near.
I don't believe it. Look, there is a girl with a tent under the coconut tree.
Yeah.
A hurricane is coming. It isn't safe to stay here under this tree. Please come inside with us.
When the eye of the hurricane travels across the island, it destroys everything in its path. It picks up the coconut tree and drops it on top of the gill stem.
The day after the storm, there are many trees standing. The gills feels very lucky to be alive.
The girl in the story was more than 25 years ago.
I was very silly to move myself under this tree. And Jack and Alice saved my life. 1 week after a hurricane, I planted this coconut tree for saying thank you and forever alive.
Good catch. I think the tree liked you, sir. It's giving you a coconut.
Can I try some coconut milk now, please?